Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to manage who can reply and quote your threads post. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So threads now lets you control who can reply to or quote your posts. And it's super easy to set up. First, open the Threads app and go to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right. Find the post you want to manage and tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. You will see an option called Who Can Reply and Quote. Tap on it. Now you can choose between different settings. If you want everyone to be able to reply and quote your post, select anyone. If you only want people you follow to interact, choose Profiles You Follow, and if you want to limit it even further, you can select Mentioned Only, which means only people you tag in the post can reply or quote it. Once you have made your choice, the settings will apply immediately. You can do this for any of your posts whenever you want. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.